Begin by lying face down on the floor with your arms extended out to the sides to create a T shape with your body. Make sure your palms are facing down while maintaining a neutral neck position by looking straight ahead at the floor or just keeping your forehead on the floor. Lift your right foot off the floor, bending your knee as you do so. Twist your lower body to the left side, aiming to bring your right foot towards the floor as close to your left glute as possible. Focus on stretching the lower back and hip. Keep your upper body and palms pressed flat against the floor throughout the movement to isolate the stretch in the lower body. The aim is to have as little movement as possible in the upper body. Hold this twisted position for a moment, taking the time to feel a deep stretch through your lower back and right hip. Gently return your right leg to the starting position, lying flat on the floor. Repeat the movement with your left leg, lifting and twisting it towards the right side, attempting to touch the floor near your right glute. Continue to alternate legs, performing the prescribed number of reps on each side, focusing on achieving a deep, controlled stretch with each rep. Prone scorpions are an excellent mobility exercise that helps loosen tight muscles in the lower back and hips, promoting flexibility and reducing the risk of lower body stiffness. Regular practice can lead to improved spinal rotation, hip mobility, and overall body comfort, especially beneficial for individuals who experience lower back discomfort or those looking to enhance their mobility for athletic performance. As always, don't push past any pain and remember to breathe.